Have you forgotten the password of your TD Ameritrade account? If you have, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of your TD Ameritrade account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app TD Ameritrade. After that, tap on the option Forgot Password. Then you'll be able to see this interface where you'll have to verify your user ID. To do so, you need to provide your user ID and zip or postal code. Enter the information asked here and then tap on Continue. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you will be able to reset the password of your TD Ameritrade account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.